Students, welcome to week 2 for writing composition. I just want to do a quick review of what we did last week. Hopefully you're watching this video ahead of Wednesday's class because we have a couple things that I need you to prepare. Remember that we meet with just virtual work instead of meeting together on Mondays, and that is all to continue information from the week before and prepare for the Wednesday's class when we get back on campus, we'll be able to meet synchronously in our classroom. But for the second Wednesday, we're going to definitely continue to meet on Zoom as per instructed by the president of UHCL. So let me take you back through what we did last week and tie it into what's going on this week so that you have everything you need to prepare for Wednesday. So remember last week, your main goals were purchase the book, The Insider's Guide to the Academic Writing. Remember that that's only available in the UHCL bookstore or for checkout in the UHCL library, or if you're sharing with someone who already purchased the book, you certainly can do that. We try to use it for all of our Comp 1 and Comp 2 classes. Now, in class on Wednesday, together we talked about the course objectives and the syllabus, worked through that. We also learned the meal structure for body paragraphs. Remember, main idea, points of evidence, analyzing those points of evidence, and then linking back to the purpose of the paragraph or to the thesis statement if you're using it in a larger paper. I had a little bit of time to practice that with your first discussion forum. You then listen to me talk to you about the first major project. We have 2 major projects in this class, remember, and then the final portfolio. That project is your rhetorical analysis essay. Remember that that information is also in our textbook here on Insider's Guide to Academic Writing. The CL means the front part of the textbook, the Clear Lake part of the textbook, and then 45 is the actual page for the traditional part of the textbook, the part that's not the custom edition for UHCL. You're working on picking your text. I'll look at the discussion forums where you propose those, give you some feedback, ultimately give you an approval for the text that you've selected. We're going to kind of work on that this week so we can knock out the text, get everybody approved, get you ready for your drafting and planning of the paper. This week then, I'm posting to Blackboard in our This Week section 2 videos. One's going to be on Bloom's taxonomy, and the other is going to be on the rhetorical situation, specifically using the rhetorical situation to compose a rhetorical analysis. Now, these aren't my videos. They're ones that are already available on YouTube. They're good videos, so why recreate the wheel? I will review some of it in class on Wednesday. Also at the start of class on Wednesday or near the start of class on Wednesday, you're going to have just an in-class quiz. So I ask that you do take notes on these 2 videos. You can do some handwritten notes. That will be the easiest because in class, when I give you the quiz, I will let you use your notes. I just want you to have the information on hand. Let's refresh it at the beginning of class. So I don't need you to memorize it. I just need you to take some good notes while you watch the videos. Also for Wednesday, you're reading this short text in the textbook, chapter 3, reading and writing rhetorically. And then in class on Wednesday, I want you to take notes, or excuse me, in preparation for class on Wednesday, I want you to take notes on this chapter, reading and writing rhetorically, and bring all that to class. So bring your notes from the 2 videos, bring your notes from the chapter, have all that written out in a place where you can see it when we start class on Wednesday. We'll again review all that information on Wednesday, do some review within a quiz so I can give you credit for preparation, and then talk more about how to prepare the first project. Just so we're all on the same page, let me take you to our Blackboard shell. So this is our Blackboard shell. We will continue to meet on Zoom through the first 2 weeks. I'll check with the president. He'll send out an email, let us know if we have to do that for further on into the semester. If not, we'll start meeting face-to-face next Wednesday. For now, we're still on Zoom. And then this section this week is the same usually as the syllabus. Remember that this comes from our syllabus, page 7 through 9, and this is on our Blackboard page. This is where I will post whatever we're doing the week of our assignments and meetings. So last week said what last week's work was. This week is going to catch you up on this week. So you'll notice that unlike the actual syllabus section, this is going to have the linked videos that I was just talking about. So watch and take notes on this video for Bloom's taxonomy. Watch and take notes on this video for understanding the rhetorical situation. We're going to have a comprehensive quiz. I did add this section, so I put it in green so you can see that it's added. We have a comprehensive quiz that started the class based on the 2 videos above. I will allow you to use your notes. So again, take good notes and you should be in a good space. Also read Reading and Writing Rhetorically in the Insider's Guide to Academic Writing, and come to class with some written notes so we can talk about the main ideas of that chapter. Most of the rest of the week is going to be making sure you know what's happening in the first essay. We're going to talk a little bit about citing from your sources and how to do more with the evidence of MEAL. Remember that MEAL is Main Idea Evidence Analysis Link, and how to cite that using APA documentation style is what we're going to get towards this week. If you have any questions about this, I do have office hours tomorrow. Check the syllabus for the times there. And you can come and talk to me at that point one-on-one. You can continue to email me, continue to post to the discussion forums so I can give you feedback on your meal structure and give you feedback on your topics that you're picking for Project 1. And then if any of that doesn't work, you can always hit me up via email at seahorn@uhcl.edu, or in the Teams. If you're used to using Teams, you can send me a chat and that'll come to my phone and I can send you a direct message back. Okay, folks, let me let you get to work. I'll post this video as an introduction to the week, and then the rest of it is all here on Blackboard for you to take notes, watch the videos, do the reading, and get ready for class on Wednesday. See you Wednesday.